Now let's watch this video.
Every morning, when the first golden rays of sun touched the leaves, a young boy would venture into the heart of the forest. This wasn't just any forest, it was his sanctuary, his playground. He ran between the ancient trees, his laughter echoing through the canopy as sunlight danced around him. The birds sang a special melody just for him, and the wind whispered secrets as it followed wherever he went. A gentle deer would step softly to his side. Its
Now you see this video you just watched right now. I created this video for free with free AI tool using CapCut new features. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this, and also how you can animate it. If you want to animate this full story, how you can create something animation like this, because a lot of people have been on my DM to asking me to show them how they can do these things for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this for free and without wasting much of your time. Let's dive into it. But before that, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when it's to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Because in this channel, we teach you how you can use AI to create images, how you can use AI to create videos, how you can use AI to do a lot of things. So that is the more reason why you should subscribe. Now, let me take you guys on how you can create something like this. So if you want to create something like this, the first thing you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. I've been using ChatGPT a lot to generate our prompt. Now, this is what I give to ChatGPT to generate my prompt. As you can see here, I said I want to create 3D story animation video using CapCut to generate my story. So I want you to write me the video script. And ChatGPT go ahead and write me the video script that you are seeing right now like this. This video script that you are seeing right now. As you can see, 3D story animation. This is what ChatGPT gave to me. And after ChatGPT gave me everything, I go through it and I'm not okay with what it gave to me. So I went back to ChatGPT again. I say, write me only the narrative, and I want the script should be about 3D boy playing in the forest with animals. So after that, ChatGPT went ahead and write me the narrative only. As you can see, he writes me the narrative only. So this is what he write for me, as you can see. Now, the next thing I did was to copy everything. I just click on copy here. Let me tap on it and show you how I did it. I click on copy it here like this, and I copy everything. Now, let me show you how I did it. Let me show you how I did. So I have to go back here. Let me just go down here like this. Now, after coming down, I copied. I click on this copy here. And after I copy it, the next thing I did was to go to Google Chrome, and you can use any browser of your choice, and you go and search for capcut.com.io creator. Now, as you can see it here, this first one you are seeing here, you click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to take you to this new CapCut feature. Now, the next thing I did was to click on this insight. As you can see inside here, I click on it. Now, after you click on the insight here, it's going to bring you to take you to the interface like this. As you can see, this is the interface. As you can see, it says Insight AI video. Now you can choose any style you want. As you can see, they have a lot of style: realistic film, as you can see, cartoon, HD, movie, photography. You can choose any type you want, but for the sake of this video, I use 3D cartoon. As you can see, 3D. I select 3D. Now after selecting the 3D, now the next thing I do was to select the aspect ratio of the video, how I want the video should be. Now I select it to be 16.9. So if you want to create it for your TikTok or for your Facebook, you have to select 9.6. As you can see, now I need to put the script I paste copy right now from ChatGPT. I need to paste it here. I need to change here which says generate or enter script. So I need to put it on enter script. So the next, after clicking on enter script here, the next thing I will do is to go back to ChatGPT. Let me go back to ChatGPT so that I will copy it very well again. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now let me scroll up like this. Let me scroll up. Let me scroll up. So I need to copy from here. As you can see, from here I will copy down. Let me scroll down. So as you can see, then I'll click on copied. So let me click on copy. As you can see, now I need to go back to the, now this is it. I'll enter my prompt here. So let me click on paste here. After pasting, now let me delete this. I need to cancel this. I need to clean this. I'm cleaning it just to edit my script. Let me clean this so that I know where my script will start talking. Just follow what you need to do. You can edit it using any of your notepad, but I'm just doing it for my sake here because I don't want you guys to be confused. So that is why I'm doing it like this. You can change it. So you can just do it. After you do it, you can select your voice. As you can see, they have different type of voice here. You just click on voice here. When you click on voice, you are going to see different type of voice. So let's select this one. After I select it, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this create here. Now when you click on create, you give it some minutes and it's going to start generating your video. Now as you can see right now, it's saying creating video. So you just give it nothing less than 1 minute or 2 minutes and it's going to generate your video for you. And after you generate your video, you can edit some things like changing the voiceover, changing of a lot of things. You can do it. Yes, you can do it before you even export your videos. You can also take it to ChatGPT. You can also take it to CapCut app and edit your videos. Yes. Now let's give it some minutes. As you can see, it's still editing the video. Now, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Just the way I say at the beginning of this video, this channel is to teach you how you can use AI to create images, how you can use AI to edit videos, how you can use AI. That is what we teach in this channel. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let me take you guys back to the video. Maybe the video I've completed so that we continue with our video. Now as you can see, this is the video here. You have completed the video. So as you can see, this is the video. So if there is anything you want to change, maybe the scene, you don't like the images it generated for you, you don't like everything here, you can click on that one. For example, this one here, if you don't like it, you click on it. As you can see, when you click on it, you can click on, let me screen it up so that you guys will see how it look like. As you can see, you can decide to change it. When you tap on it, all you just have to do is just to click on this it again and you click on replace, and when you click on replace, it's going to regenerate the image for you. So maybe you want to change the script here. This is where the scene here, you click here, you want to change the script here, you click on element here. When you click on element, this is where you are also going to change this layout here. This one you are seeing here, this one, the caption, this is where you are going to change the caption. If you want to change the caption, you can decide to change the caption to any type you want. Maybe it's this one that I want, I can decide to change it to this one. Now when you tap on it, it's going to change it automatically. Now as you can see, it has changed it automatically for me. And if you don't want to even put the caption, you can just mark this and it will remove the caption. As you can see, I have removed the caption. If you want to add the caption, you can put it back. Now after you put it back, you put it on, you turn it on, it's going to put the caption back, and you click on apply and it's going to apply. So if you want to also change the music, you can click here to remove the music, or you put any music. But if you don't want to do all that, you want to go and edit your full video on CapCut, all you just have to do is just to click on edit more here. And when you click on edit more, it's going to take you to CapCut app where you can edit this video more. So for if you are okay with what is I give to you, you can click on export here and you export your video to your phone or to your laptop, or to your phone or to your laptop. Or if you want to edit more, you click on edit more. Now let's try edit more. When you click on edit loading project like this, so when you click on loading project, it's going to load the project and it's going to take you to the CapCut app. Now it's going to bring you to the app where you can change a lot of things. You can use it to edit the video more so that it will look very nice. So if there is some part you want to animate, all you just have to do is just to tap on the clip. When you tap on the clip, you are going to see animate, and it's going to animate it for you so that it will look very nice. So after you have done that, everything, you edit your video, you click on export and you export the video to your phone. So this is how you can create something amazing like that. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.